Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of how-to tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. In this chapter, we'll demonstrate how to replace a fan motor. Before you begin any work, make sure that the oven is switched off and is isolated from any power source. This is done by removing the power cable. Open the oven and check the unit is not too hot to touch. You can then remove the shelves. Next, remove the fan cover by unscrewing the 4 screws that keep it in place. Please take note of the orientation you remove the fan guard in, so that the screw holes align when you reattach it. Using a 10mm socket, remove the fan blade. Please note that the blade is on a left-handed thread, so you move to unscrew it by turning right to loosen. Once removed, close the door and open the cover on the back of the unit by removing the 6 screws that keep it in place. When you have opened the cover, remove the earthing wire attached to the back of the door using a 7mm spanner. Next, disconnect the live, earth and neutral from the motor itself. Then, undo the 4 Phillips screws and spacers holding the motor in place. To avoid any damage, please remember to support the motor when removing the final screw so that it does not fall. Insert the new motor shaft into the fan vent and start to thread the screws in place by hand. Once all 4 screws are in place, tighten them all with a screwdriver. Next, reinsert the live, neutral and earth connections. Replace the back cover, making sure to reattach the earth wire. Reattach the fan blade and ensure any supplied spaces are attached first before adding the fan blade to the shaft. Make sure the nut holding the blade in place is tight. Finally, reattach the fan cover. You can now reattach the power supply and turn the oven back on. Please note that on large capacity ovens, you will need to remove the 4 screws from the back of the fan cover and slide it out to remove it. You must then put the oven on its side to access the electrical components. The principle of removing the motor is exactly the same for all oven types. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.